Grade 9s, today we will start on the geometry of 2D shapes. It's chapter 13, page 124. But before we start, let's quickly look at a couple of reminders. Here we have a look at our different angles. So the first one we are looking at is an acute angle. An acute angle is smaller than 90 degrees. Second one, obtuse. Our obtuse angle is bigger than 90 degrees but smaller than 180 degrees. The third one we have is a reflex angle. So our reflex angle is bigger than 180 degrees but smaller than 360. And then this very well-known one, indicated with a block, is our right angle, which means it's precisely a 90 degrees angle. Then we have our straight angle, supplementary angle, straight line, 180 degrees, and a revolution that is 360 degrees when it goes all the way around. Now we can also apply this to triangles. When we have an acute angled scalene triangle, all three angles are smaller than 90 degrees and they have unequal sides. None of the three sides are the same length. Then we have a right angled scalene triangle, which means we have our right angle and none of the three sides are of equal length. Then we have an obtuse angled scalene triangle, smaller than 90 degrees, smaller than 90 degrees, bigger than 90 degrees, and not one of the three sides are the same length. And then we have our acute angled isosceles triangle. All three angles are smaller than 90 degrees, but this side and this side is of equal length. Then we have our right angled isosceles triangle where we have a right angle and these two sides are equal length, and then also the angles are the same. And when we have our obtuse angled isosceles angle, obtuse angle, two sides the same, two angles the same. So when we have an isosceles triangle, we always have the two angles the same and the two sides that's the same. And then we have an equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, all three of the angles are the same and all three of the sides. So it's 60, 60, 60 because they're still equal to 180 and three sides. And then we have the one that we're very familiar with, the right angled triangle, where we have a right angled triangle and three different sides. And with this, we also know the theorem of Pythagoras that we use to work out all the sides. Just a reminder, if this is the right angle, then this is the hypotenuse, the one right across from it. And the last reminder for today, when we have these on a straight line and a triangle, this angle plus that angle will always be equal to that angle.